Hey everybody, welcome back to another video from A Cut Above Recipes. My name's Robert, and today we're tackling something fundamental. It's an emulsion. You use the emulsion technique to create dressings, some sauces, and some desserts. Right now we're going to make a dressing which could be used for a salad or for a marinade. The emulsifier is going to be my Grey Poupon mustard here. I put in some shallots and garlic and honey, which are the base ingredients for my vinaigrette. To incorporate or suspend all of the ingredients, you will need constant agitation. You can use one of several things: whisk and elbow grease, repetitive annoying words. You can use a food processor like a Cuisinart if you have bigger batches, but today I'm going to use an immersion blender. It's one I got off of Amazon. Right now it's a limited time deal on it, so I will send you a link if you actually wanted one. This is actually a pretty decent immersion blender, so I'll put it in the description below. But right now you see, you puree everything up. It takes a little bit to puree up the onion and garlic, and the key to a good emulsion is slowly adding your oil in and letting it incorporate. You can see it hovering around the base of the immersion blender. You want to stop, as you see, with the oil and let it incorporate. I was actually having a little bit of difficulty trying to keep it steady for this video. Pardon the dancing glass there. But anyway, so you let it go. If you were to keep pouring with the oil, you would actually, it would just break and separate. You would have to start all over again. You wouldn't have to throw it away. Just add a little more Grey Poupon, a little more vinegar with a new bowl. Start blending that up and then add the broken stuff back in, get it to incorporate, then continue on with your oil to finish up. And that's basically it for an emulsion. A couple examples would be that you would have in your refrigerator or you've seen around would be mayonnaise, aioli. You would have, if you like dessert, it would also be sabayon, which is the French dessert, wine into egg yolks, and the Italian version is the zabaglione. Sorry if I butchered it, but those are the emulsions. Hopefully this helps you. If you like, please comment below. Maybe share a vinaigrette that you make at home. That'd be awesome. I would love to hear about it and maybe make it for a future recipe and try it. I always love to learn something new. Otherwise, please do the YouTube thing if you don't mind. Like, share, place a comment, send it to your friends and family. It'd be greatly appreciated. All right, everybody, have a nice day, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much.